Unbelievable opportunity to buy this charming updated ranch home on 1.38 acres in Portage, open floor plan, 3-bedroom, 2 full baths and large living room. The house has basically been rebuilt, so everything is approximately 4 years old. Roof, furnace, gutters, AC, hot water heater, flooring, and all kitchen appliances. The large detached garage could also house a cottage industry, repair shop, place for animals, or storage, and what makes ithis home super special is that there is a contiguous 4.3 acre parcel available as well. It's a beautiful peaceful location, great for horses and animals, and yet you can walk to Meijers. And go to Portage Schools and be close to shopping and highways. And here's one more thing, if you buy the adjacent